We all know the deadlift is supposed to be the ultimate back exercise, but do you feel like your lower back is taking the brunt of it all? It's not supposed to be that way, people. And don't get me wrong, your lower back is working, but it's not supposed to be the driver. If your lower back is always hurting post deadlifts, then you, my friend, have a hip mobility problem. The purpose of today's video is to share a great alternative you can do that will require less hip mobility, but I definitely recommend checking out the free mobility tools I put together in the link below. It includes my favorite hip exercise that will help you with that low back pain in no time. Now, today's alternative exercise will help keep the rest of your body strong, so when your lower back pain is gone, you'll be ready to start crushing deadlifts off the floor again. Coach Pippin here, and over the last 15 years, I've helped over 1,000 professional, collegiate, and everyday athletes move, feel, and perform at their highest level. And today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite alternatives to the conventional deadlift that you can use if you've been experiencing low back pain. So, I'm using this stick right here because what I want to make sure of is that we are not rounding our back during the deadlift. Now, a lot of us think our back isn't rounding when we deadlift, but trust me, it is. Now, if you start to get up to higher and higher weights, like if you're over 600 pounds, there's going to be some rounding in your upper back. You don't want a ton in your lower back. That's where a lot of people start to get messed up. So we're going to use this PVC pipe. You can use a wooden dowel, whatever you need. It's just kind of a guide to figure out where we need to be in terms of what our bar height's going to be. What happens is when you go to pull from the floor, you'll see a lot of people, they'll get down here and then they're here. You don't want to be that guy because that's low back pain just waiting to happen, okay? So what you want to figure out is I like to take this stick, put one hand on my butt, one hand on my head, and then I'm just going to slowly hinge, take my conventional deadlift stance, and that's where I want to be. If I can't get any lower than this without me bending the stick, then I automatically know that's where I need to start deadlifting from. So swallow your pride. Don't think you have to pull off the floor right now. While you're fixing your lower back, pull off a couple of blocks. It's super, super easy, and you'll still get all the benefits of deadlift. Now, there's not this huge thing like, oh, I have to pull off the floor. It's okay to pull here. You're still going to get all the bang for your buck, but you're not going to be exposing your lower back. So to recap with this, take the stick, put it right on your butt, right on the back of your head, extend. That's where I want to be. So I already pretty much know where this needs to be for the bar. So right now I have a 45 and a 25 pound plate underneath. And this is just going to give me a little bit more leeway to get into my deadlift. So same thing you would want to do for your normal conventional. Maybe your feet are about shoulder width, maybe they're a little bit closer together. Get that good hinge, and look how flat my spine is. I'm not here. I don't want this C curve or what I call it Winnie the Pooh. I don't want that. Get nice and down, pull the slack, come up and finish. Look, my back stayed flat, my back's going to be safe. And then, as I keep working on my hips, my lower back stuff, then I can start to lower that down to the floor. Put in the time with that stuff, and you'll start to see how low you're able to get, maintaining that beautiful back with the PVC pipe. Now, if you guys have any questions or comments, be sure to post them below. And if tips like this are helpful for you guys, go ahead and hit me a like or a share so I know what you guys want to see more of. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you're not missing out on all the awesome content we have coming your way. Until next time, guys, remember to be strong, be mobile.